Hey everyone, Eric here. So, Focusrite Clarett Plus 8 Pre replacement. Dimmer mute button is fixed by that timely firmware patch. Crackly output problem is also fixed. It's time to test the inputs. So I have put up a Pro Tools session, created it. 8 mono inputs, set up to inputs 1 to 8 respectively of the Clarett. We're just gonna test inputs recording properly, passing signal through properly, and see if there are any problems in the playback. Well, there shouldn't be problems in the playback, but see if there are any problems with inputs. Let's go. We're gonna test inputs 2 and 4 first, and then I'm gonna switch over. Gonna move input 4 to number 6 because 6 and 2 are currently are not normally patched in, so we're gonna do it that way. Let's go with input 2 and 4 first. Okay, just do this. Check 1 2, check. Check 1 2, check. Huh? Why are dynamic mics so insensitive? Check. Can I please get some level? Ooh, clipping. Clip. Ooh. Wow, very insensitive. Okay, so we just tested those 2 inputs. They work fine. Input. My SM57 is very not sensitive, if you know what I mean. Like, you gotta crank the gain on the Clarett quite a bit, which is annoying. Okay, so for the next ones, I'm gonna have to turn some phantom power on, so give me a sec. All right, ready to record some audio. Excuse my playing, I'm a bit rusty. I've just been busy setting everything up, so I haven't had time to practice or even play or do anything like that. But hopefully that's gonna all change from now on. Let's go. All right, enough of that. Okay. M1 check, M1 check, M1 check. Where is that? What are your number? Input number 5? Yes, M1 is input number 5. Check the line level. All right, it's good. It's nice and toasty. Check, 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 check. All right, yeah, that's where I want it. That's where I want it. Okay, M1's good. M1's good. What are we checking now? What are we checking now? We're gonna check the Rode, NT2A, and the Clarett 7 and 8. Check 1, 2, can you hear me? We are on the Rode NT2A and the Neumann TLM 102. Yeah. Okay, also test the TLM 102's room noise. Okay. All right, cool. Now we're testing, I think, input number 6. Input 6. Input 6, yeah, what's up? Input 6 is the Shure SM57 dynamic mic. Let's turn the gain to like 3 o'clock. Is it toasty? It's toasty, it's toasty. Gotta do the TLM 102 again. Whoa! Testing room noise. Gain at 12 o'clock, TLM 102. What's happening? All right, we can call it a day. Okay, that's done. Excuse my ramblings. Now let's just go listen back to the output. Yeah, let me just clean up around here a little bit and then we'll listen back to the output together. I'll see you in the next video for that. Cheers.